Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can create a parameter for data source setting in Power BI. So if you can see here, I have imported a data from a table from MySQL. If I click on this order table, if I click on this advanced editor, I can see some data source settings when we are importing it, we used to give the server details, database name, and table names we need to give it. For example, in the real scenario, what happens here is now we can see the table name with superstore data. In real scenario, after moving to the prod environment, D team will tell us to change the name. Suppose if they are giving underscore prod, we need to go to each and every table. Here we are seeing only one table, so we can change it easily, like underscore prod, and we can refresh it so that data will come. But in real scenario, we'll be having 50 to 20, like more than that, tables will be having. So in that case, we can't able to change the table name for each and every like underscore prefix we can't, sorry, suffix we can't give it as underscore prod, right? Like for example, like table underscore dev, we will be having it when we are developing the report. When they are D team, when after the development UAT phase, when we are moving the table to prod, D team will tell us to change the name like the suffix underscore prod. If they are giving it, we need to go to each and every table and we need to change it to underscore prod, and it is a time consuming work. So for that, what we can do is we can create a parameter for each and every setting here. So it will be easy for us in Power BI service only, we can able to change it. So what we can do is now, I went to, like, in Power BI desktop, I clicked on this transform data, click on this transform data. Then this Power Query screen will be opening. In that, what we need to do is in home, if we click on home, we can see manage parameter. In that, we can click on this new parameter. So we are having now the details in MySQL. We are having the data source setting like this, like server name, database, table name. So we need to create three parameters. So first parameter we are going to create for server name. So once if we click this manage parameter, new parameter, we are going to create server name parameter now. And then in type, give as text, and keep the current value. Current value, we have it as a local host. And then next parameter, for that you need to click on new, click on database name. We can change it to database name here. And type, click on text. Current value, we have it as a superstore DB. So these information I got it from the advanced editor. So whatever we have, we can update here. The next parameter is table name. So table name is superstore data. I'm updating here, type as text. So if we are not giving anything here, any means in Power BI service, it will not work. So we can't edit it in Power BI service. So that's why we need to give it as text here in all the parameters, whatever we have given, and click on OK. So now we can see all the parameter it's been created. So again, we can go to the table wherever, like, here we have only one table. So for that, I am updating these parameter here. So here the local host is server name, right? So server name I'll give here. This is the parameter name which I have given here. No, the same it comes here. And this parameter for database, the parameter name is database name. So it automatically comes here, database name. Again, the say, if you can see here in schema also, database name we need to update. We can update here. In item, we need to update the table name. table name. So this is the table name and this is the server name and database name. We can click on now. Done now. So if we can see here, all the data like parameter name it's been updated. Then we can click on OK. Close and apply. So once this is done, we need to publish that into service now. Now we need to publish this report in service. So I have this workspace Power BI practice. So I'm publishing there. Now if we go to the workspace, if you go to this particular setting, here you can find the parameter option. So you can see here, we can see server name, database name, and table name. So whatever we have created in Power BI desktop, no, for whatever we have data for data source setting, whatever we have updated there, it will be available here. So whenever we needed, right, we don't want to go to this Power BI desktop, go to transform data. We don't want to go to the advanced editor, uh, so directly we can go to this service and we can change the table name here. So if they are telling us to change like underscore prod, we can change it directly and we can click on this apply. So automatically the table names will, or database name they are telling us to change, or server name they are telling us to change. So directly it will impact our table here. So whatever the tables are available, no, for whatever the tables which we are creating this parameter, it will display here. For that we need to update this updated table name, whatever DTM is informing us. So this is one advantage by creating the parameter. It is one of the optimized way, instead of going to this advanced editor, changing the all these data source settings. So hope this video is useful to you all. Thank you.